This is a trade that I took yesterday, and it was August the 4th at about 8:30 Eastern time. I shorted the Great Britain pound US dollar. That was based on the non-farmers payroll that came out that was better than expected. I chose the pound because you can see over here before the trade that the trend was already downward, and that was because of the Great Britain Central Bank releasing a report that wasn't quite as expected. The vote count actually didn't go as was expected. There was a slight change that the market was looking for that didn't come about. So the vote was left unchanged. So as a result, the pound fell off in the previous day. So I thought that weakness would continue, and it did, as you can see here. And that was, of course, paired with the stronger US dollar, temporary stronger US dollar. I think the trend for the US dollar is still down. But I took advantage of it. You can see here I scored, I can't even remember here, it was about maybe 20 pips. Let's take a look. Yeah, about 25 pips. Now, again, I could have let it move a little further. My reasoning for getting out on the trade a little early was based on the fact that the average hourly earnings came in as expected. Now, this was the number I was looking for a change in. If there had been a big deviation, or even a deviation of 0.1, that would have probably really determined which direction I would have taken the trade in. But because it came in as expected, I based the trade on the better than expected payroll numbers, 209,000 compared to the expected 183. So that came in pretty good. I didn't know the details of this. Of course, the details can make a difference as well, whether it was all temporary or part-time jobs. Okay, it's sometimes hard to gauge at the moment. But anyways, that was another reason why I didn't let the trade run as far as maybe I could have in hindsight, but not a bad trade overall. So again, in the future, what I've got to do more of is split the trade up, let part of it run further, maybe do a little bit more research after the trade so I know whether the numbers were in fact as strong as initially suggested. So what else? It was a Canadian trade I got in as well. That was a dumb move. There was another trade that I made earlier in the week. It was a dumb trade of the week. I'm going to highlight that next and tie back to that in the blog. I'll link back to that in the blog for you. You'll get an idea of what I was thinking and why I really shouldn't have made the trade in the first place. And as a result, I tried to make up for it. So I revenge traded, and that made it all the worse. Anyways, I made up for that in this trade in another that I made in the middle of the week. So I'm ahead again. But anyways, have a great day, and I'll get back to you in the next video when I again refer to one of the trades I made earlier that didn't turn out that great. Earlier in the week, it was an Aussie trade. So anyways, stay tuned and take care.